Koreaworld, a cookbook. A sequel to the best-selling Koreatown, published in 2016, Koreaworld is a cookbook, a travelogue, and a culinary investigation by a chef, a journalist, and a documentary-style photographer. Chef Deuki Hong, food writer Matt Rodbard, and photographer Alex Lau began with a deep dive into contemporary Korean cuisine in Seoul, as well as in its lesser-known rural provinces, before touring and analyzing the cuisine's evolution in Koreatowns across the United States. Designed to be a documentary cookbook, the team visited neighborhoods, markets, and restaurants, recorded whatever there was to see on film, tasted everything there was to taste, and then compiled this book of stories and recipes based on their interviews and memories. Expanding beyond recipes, we touch on the modern history of Korea and the Korean diaspora through short essays and visits to some places less covered in the Western media.